I actually love cities. Skyscrapers, anything like that, I've always been drawn to that. So I wanted to be able to design my own building one day and even maybe design my own skyscraper. Civil engineering, specifically structural engineering, will be able to give me that avenue, and Tech has a great civil program, so coming here kind of felt like a no-brainer. My 7th grade teachers were huge Georgia Tech fans, and they also love STEM in general. So they always kind of encouraged us to learn more about engineering, so much so that they would actually bring engineers every Wednesday. One day a civil engineer came, and that's when I first found out about the major in general. I've always been a fan of Georgia Tech because of them, and so it's always been a dream to come here, become an engineer. And I think it's kind of funny because I would say a city is more chaotic, but I don't know, I think just being able to see a city that's always moving for some reason calms me down. It's like a small person in a big world. I think I was lucky because I actually went to study abroad right before the pandemic came. I would say it was a huge part of my college experience. It was my first time leaving the country. Just having that experience was very mind-blowing to me, I guess. I think what's the most beautiful about Europe is that every building still has its history, and being able to go into these buildings, see the arches and all of the engineering feats is really cool to see, but more so I loved learning about the history. I am a first-generation student here in America going to college. My parents immigrated from Indonesia, and in that country, they weren't able to get much of a college education. They never finished. Being able to come here and actually have a college education, they're really proud of me for doing that, especially kind of going into this engineering role where I am passionate about it. Tech has given me such an amazing opportunity to grow as a person, not only as an engineer. And there are some experiences here that I would have never gone anywhere else. So I would say that being a student here is hard and challenging sometimes, but I think it's so worth it.